think I got my dad's cab now. I outran him.
Where is my cap?
Dad, guess what? I have your cab.
Oh my god.
That's right. Oh guys, I don't think it's really nice to prank him anyways. Let's go give him the cab. Here's the cab, Dad.
What? This is
So let's start our intro then. Hello there guys. Today we decided to do something that is behind the kitchen. Same thing as behind the scenes, where we'll be showing how we are filming behind the kitchen. How are we cleaning the kitchen and stuff like that. So let's begin with the things.
Also, we'll give some small tips how to set the kitchen as well.
Hello there. You didn't subscribe to our channel yet? Why? I didn't see your names. Make sure to subscribe to our channel if you do like it. And also, click the bell button which is next to subscribe button channel so that you can watch every video where we upload it. And don't forget to like this video, share this video with your friends. Thank you for listening. Do you really want to see how our kitchen looks after breakfast? It's terrible. Let me show you around this messy kitchen.
Listen, I made a sausage for you.
It's messed up, alright? Oh wait, caramel popcorn. It's really good still. We had hot dog for breakfast, so that's a mess, Daddy. Look, is this how you're supposed to handle it? No, the toast is a mess. The bread is a mess. Look at the dishes; they haven't even been washed. Oh no, this is a big mess, isn't it, Dad? Now, Dad, it's your duty to clean the dishes.
You give me more job.
Yeah, I will give him all the job I like.
Okay, Doki. But you also clean the other areas, okay?
Yeah, obviously. Just, we have to wash the plates every time after we make a YouTube video. It's a lot of work, isn't it, Dad?
Only a few plates. It's not too much.
Yeah, today it's not that much. But then, in some days, there's a heap of items that you'll never be able to finish it even within one day, guys. That's how much it is. But we have to take this at least one day to clean up the entire kitchen. That's how it is like. So that's one plate done. Now we must wash these 2 cups. Looks really messy. Dad, you can wash these 2 cups, please.
Okay.
Yeah. Looks like this area is almost sorted out. Now let's clean this area. Nice. Let's clean this. Smooth this. Clean this. It's really messy behind the kettle actually. And then clean over here. But make sure that all of this is off before you do it. Looks really clean.
See, I don't want to put any chemicals here.
No.
Yeah?
Just look at this, guys. How nice. That's a really nice cleaning there, Dad.
Not enough time.
Come on. Okay, so my dad's now cleaning this section.
Nice. Happy?
Looks really neat. But what about this?
Give me time.
No time, just clean it. Come on, fast. We have to clean all this up. Actually, the kitchen is almost ready. There's a lot of dust over here. Did you ever recognize?
Cleaned.
What's this? Oh, the cover came outside. Let me just put this inside quickly. Excellent.
You know what is this?
Which one?
This one?
Yeah.
What is
You
this?
mean the plate?
This one?
That's the crushed black pepper.
What is this?
Salt.
What is this?
That's your preservation method, isn't it, Dad?
You know what is this?
That's garlic, isn't it?
Garlic.
What is? Wait, that's mushrooms? Garlic? What is
Gooseberry.
that? Gooseberries.
Yeah, and you know this one?
Yeah, that's the mortar and pestle we use for crushing things. Hallelujah. I just wanted to tell you that this white vinegar you can see which not allowed to be used by children. And you know why? Doesn't this look exactly like water? But it is not water. If some of you may know it, it's called acetic acid. It's really dangerous. and that's why we dilute it with water before using. And this is a really good cleaning agent for cleaning stuff like glasses and mirrors and things like that. So no children should use anything like that. Okay, now my dad will show you how to clean the kitchen window over there. Now first, take 1 spoon of vinegar in a dish and then mix it or dilute it with some water, and then basically dip a cloth like this one and then rub it against the window glass and clean it. But squeeze all that away. Exactly. This looks really glazing, isn't it? Like what I said, switch off all electronic appliances before actually cleaning any of them. Like this, we switched off the microwave.
And switch off.
Okay, that's switched off now.
And remove all the
this
glass particles.
This one over there as well.
And see the dirt need to clean nicely.
That's some pro cleaning skills, Dad.
It has to be clean all the areas. Inner, outer, sides. Look, very nice. Finally, clean outside.
Okay, now my dad is going to show you how to clean the kitchen cupboards. That's the chimney. And I'll move. Like how my dad is showing, clean every side of the chimney as you can. Excellent, Dad. Nice work.
Thank you, thank you.
Now, my dad is going to clean the other side of the cupboards.
Yeah, you give a very good job for me.
Look, Dad, we decided to make this video to show people and educate them, alright? So you must do it, no matter
I'm tired.
what. You want some help?
Searching.
You need some help?
Yes.
Okay. I can't reach that much, Dad. I just can't. I have to clean like this.
Okay, well.
I have to clean like this. Dad,
Yeah.
can you reach on top of the cupboard and clean it? Just look at this, guys. It's empty and messed up. But that's not the big thing. When you see the fridge, I don't think you'll be able to see it. Look at the mess. Have you seen any fridge this messy in the world? No, you haven't. I'm going to clean all of this mess up. And here? No. Basically, we closed everything. But if you open everything, oh no. That's going to be a very big mess. So we have to clean up all this before we start a YouTube video. Okay, so now we are going to clean this really messy fridge and rearrange everything. What are you doing, Dad? Come over here.
Again?
Yeah, again.
Okay, don't go. Hold it one by one.
Uh-oh.
I'll give some job for you as well.
Okay, no problem.
Bread. Hot dog bun.
No.
Okay, now keep that.
Okay, this is it.
Now the things there. This is sticker for you.
Hey, stop it, Dad. You take it.
This is your job, your task.
Hey, I don't even understand that actually. Only you can understand.
Adesh need to clean everywhere.
No, you just cut that off and write your
No,
name.
let's look. We remove everything.
Oh, can it fit me inside that?
Yeah, I can remove all the shelf and I'll put inside.
Okay, now let's put all the important things inside, right? Okay, guys. So now we are going to put all the things inside. Dad, do you want this?
Yeah.
Do you want the bread?
Top shelf. Top shelf.
Okay. All the bread. Look, burger buns. Put all on the top.
Everybody task time.
What about these?
Yeah, keep here all the things.
Over here?
Yeah.
You need some milk. It's very popular. Where do we keep this fat milk?
Inside.
Bye bye. You
Okay.
can feel the cold as well. Now we arrange everything. It looks really neat and tidy, but also very empty. Isn't it, Dad?
Yeah, don't worry. Make a list. I'll go and purchase for.
Yeah, if there was enough space, I would even fit my own dad inside their closet. Okay, so basically we have finished with the fridge, but the freezer is very cold and we're not able to clean anything actually because
all the nice week.
it's really cold, you know. Yep.
Yeah, ready.
Most of them we have cleaned
All
actually.
the cheeses are on the
Ice
bottom.
cream! Look! Some ice cream! So I'll just keep it out, you know, we just eat some ice cream. So keep out the ice cream. Now it's really cold actually. You can see the real ice.
Okay, cover it.
Yeah. Now Dad, anything else? Now I'm cleaning the washing machine. Luckily it is off, so nothing to worry about it. You can still see some of our clothes are inside. So that's done. Then this cupboard. This is our dishwasher, but we are not using this because my mother prefers to wash plates by hand. But however, we are wiping the exterior of the dishwasher. Like this. Now let's clean these cupboards. That's 1, 2, 3, and the last one. 4. Okay, Dad. So what's that in your hand?
This is a I'm going to tie a sanitizer table.
Okay.
Like that means top table. Like you will get nice smell.
You mean fragrance?
Yeah, correct. Look. Wow.
Smells really nice. And also, children do not touch this. It's really not good. And only adults are supposed to use this.
Nicely
That's
clean
nice.
on top.
Nice fragrance.
Bah.
Now, my dad is cleaning the floor. Look at the amount of dust. It's not that much actually. This is how our kitchen looks after we clean. And why are we doing this? We are doing this so basically kitchen is a place where we cook food. And cooking food and storing it means hygiene as well. And without personal hygiene, insects can come and bacteria can spoil your food. That's not good. That's why we are cleaning our kitchen. And so should you. Okay then. So this is the end of the video. But Dad, what do you want to say?
And finally, we clean our kitchen. Anyway, guys, please clean your kitchen.
Yes, exactly. Like I told you, it's for hygienic
At
purposes.
least once in a week.
You saw how we clean our kitchen? Use our tips and you can make your kitchen clean too. Tell us how it came out in the comment section below and we'll reply to you and give you more tips on it. Now,
Alright.
thank you for watching this video. Make sure to like this video, subscribe to our channel and share this video to all your friends. And we will see you in the next video. Bye bye.